Hello there, Attorney Voyle Glover here. Welcome to my war stories. As I've mentioned earlier, these are stories that lawyers swap with each other, experiences in life, little vignettes of my life. And I wanted to share them with my kids, and so you get to listen along. This really is kind of a record for them, but I thought maybe you'd enjoy it too. So here's a war story for you. So if you listen to the prior video, I'm in that same case, except it really is a new case because we'd filed a second case that was tied to the first case. There was new actions. And so this new case was transferred to a different judge who was over in South Bend. And this is set before a jury. So this judge, he's as bad as the first one. Well, in some ways he wasn't, but he still was not a good judge. He's since passed on, but in fact, this guy, his wife ended up having some kind of a relationship with a drug dealing prisoner. I mean, it was a huge scandal. I don't know how he survived, but he did. It was just a huge scandal. So anyway, this judge is our judge. And, he could be a jerk. He was, well, I won't go into that. So I had been examining or cross-examining some employer witnesses. So the cross-examinations when the other side puts a witness on and you get to go back up and you do the cross-examination, you ask them questions. So I've been cross-examining employer witnesses, and all of a sudden, out of the blue, the judge invites counsel to chambers. He raps his gavel down and says, "Counsel in chambers." And so I get up and I got co-counsel. Co-counsel gets up and the judge whirls and points at my co-counsel, says, "Not you, just him." I don't know why he did that. I have no idea why he did that. So he gets in chambers with us, me and the other attorney, and it's this huge corporation utility company. And he asks whether we've discussed settlement, and we indicate that we haven't. And he suggests strongly that we do that. Then he looks at me. Now, keep in mind, this is a discrimination case. Our client is a black man, and we'd alleged he'd been treated differently and unfairly on the basis of race. We had strong evidence that that was the case. We'd already won one case based on that. So the judge looks at me and says this. He says, "Counsel, I've been watching that jury, and and he caught himself. The black man that's on that jury has been sleeping the whole time." Now, to this day, I don't know if he's trying to signal me where he stood and trying to maneuver me, "You better settle this case," or whether he just had a slip of the tongue and caught himself. I don't know. I just know I couldn't believe what he just said, or almost said. I told him, I said, "Judge, we're open to settlement. They haven't put a dime on the table." Now, these corporate lawyers are so arrogant, they refuse us any offer. They knew this. They knew this was my basically first trial. Actually, it was the second trial. And my co-counsel had very little trial experience, had no federal trial experience. So we were newbies. They were old hands at this. And they demonstrated it. I mean, they made us look foolish more than once. But we'd come back slugging. We'd get hit, knocked down, get up, come right back at them. And we went on to win that case too in front of the jury. So all that to say this, look, in life, people are going to try to derail you. They're going to try to hurt you. maybe powerful people at times are going to want to intimidate you, get you off course, adjust your attitude. Here's the message. Stay on course. Stick to your guns. Stay on course. Refuse to allow yourself to be intimidated. Stay in for the long haul. Do what you came to do. And that's true in life. Do what you came to do in life. Capiche? Thanks for watching. Come back for more war stories. Appreciate you coming in.